Hello everyone, this is part 2nd of unit and measurement. In this particular lecture, we will do types of error and from second error because first error we have done already in our first part. So let's start. So second is our gross error. Error due to carelessness of experimenter is called gross error. We have two sources. First is improper setting of apparatus, and second one is wrong observation and recordings. So this is our gross error. So next one is random error. So what is random error? Error which occur irregularly and true value is equal to a bar is equal to a1 plus a2 plus up to so on by n. Third one is absolute error. The difference between measured value and true value is called absolute error. Del a1 is equal to an minus a bar in modulus. And how can we find mean absolute error? Is equal to del a bar equal to del a1 plus del a2 plus up to so on upon n. So by this method we can find mean absolute error. Now we have relative error. So what is relative error? The ratio between the mean absolute value to mean value. This is del a bar upon a bar. Next is percentage error. So what is percentage error? The percentage error of relative error is called percentage error. Percentage error is denoted by del a bar by a bar into 100%. We have already discussed relative error before this. So this is percentage error. Now we have an important term that is dimension. तो dimension क्या होता है? The dimensions of a physical quantity are the power to which the base quantity are raised to represent the quantity. So this is the definition of dimensions. Now we have one more term that is related to dimension, and this is dimension equation. So what is dimension equation? Equation which express the dimension of physical quantity. So we have so many physical